Hey guys, this is your boy Ganti, and today it's a riding day. So the weather conditions are looking good, and let's not waste time and introduce you to my machine. Guys, this is my KTM 1290 Super Duke GT, and it's riding day. Honestly speaking, the weather looks good because I tend to like a little bit cloudy weather, and I'm just waiting for other boys to come. And that's my buddy's motorcycle. I think that's a Harley. And it looks like one of the riders is today driving on his BMW X Drive 650i. This is a beautiful machine for sure. And it's a fantastic weather, honestly speaking. It's a perfect day to drive on a convertible. We have Mr. Cobras coming in on his beast. It's Honda Goldwing, and this is Mr. Cobras. Hi. And that's none other than Mr. Manmohan, our boy. What's up, bro? And his shadow. Some more boys coming in. Just waiting for them. नवतेश पाजी के ब्रदर इन लॉ, हाँ सर पाजी. Did someone say marriage life is different?
Just got married 2 months ago.
Yeah. कॉफी लेने Let me introduce you to the man who owns that beautiful machine.
No, I don't own this machine. I'm just borrowing it, but I did a lot of hard work to get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you enjoying the drive?
Yeah, it's a wonderful drive. It's just like a motorcycle,
Yeah.
but it's got 4 wheels.
Yep. And I can see
I
that.
realized yesterday I didn't have the bike, so I have to take this one.
Yeah. And it's a perfect day, perfect beautiful
day,
weather.
rain.
Honestly speaking.
Going with the Cobras up north to Dorset, cutting short at Barrie maybe
Yeah.
for some brunch there. Yeah.
Yep.
That's all I can do. Time permits. Thank you very much, Sunil.
Thank you, and thank you for the Starbucks coffee. And that's none other than Harley Davidson CVO, and this is for the fans of Harley. I think it's the top of the line, custom built from Harley, especially for those passionate riders who love Harley. It's a beautiful machine, honestly speaking. And look at those rims. Looks like a spider web. And here comes Mr. Amit Sharma. That's also a CVO, but I think in a black color. Sorry guys, I'm bad with Harleys. अमित भाई क्या हालचाल? बढ़िया। हाय बोल दो लोगों को। लेके आए। That's none other than Mr. Shahnawaz. On his Yamaha R1. Hello, my friend. He's having his time of his life.
I should give a shout for the camera.
Hello.
Any problem with balance or no?
Have a good one. Hello, Sujit sir. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Sujit,
back to-
thank you, sir.
After a long ride across the country, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Great, good to see you, man.
Thank you. And this is Sujit sir's F700
That's
GS.
my little steed. I'm going to Alaska with this summer.
Oh, yeah, you're going to Alaska, right?
Yeah, the Dempster Highway.
And is it like probably it should be now in few days? That
In the next 2 weeks, the first
Oh,
week
wow.
of August, I'll be out there, Yellow Horse.
Oh, okay.
And then from there, I'll be heading to the Dempster Highway. So it's going to be one hell of an experience, similar to yours.
yeah.
Hopefully, I'll share more of your experiences, man.
Yeah, thank you, sir. You have a safe ride.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning. How's it going?
Are you guys going for a group ride?
Oh yeah, kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah.
You got a new member today.
Is it?
Yeah, my
Sure.
name's Bruce.
Hey Bruce, how are
I'm
you?
just looking for some funny guys to ride with.
Not funny, but we're very good riders.
You look like a bunch of funny guys. Right along with this group, maybe. I'm a pretty funny guy too.
So guys, looks like all the boys are scattered here and there because they have parked their motorcycles all in different slots. This is what happens with all the boys, right? Honestly speaking, I love that BMW. But I think it's time to go electric. I mean, I've been thinking to flip my BMW and get a Tesla. So let's see, hopefully this Diwali I might think about it. Honestly, since I work from home, so getting a new car is something not a good expense because cars are never an investment. So yeah, we are heading towards Dorset and I think it's close to 600 kilometers to and fro if I'm not wrong. I'm not very sure because it's a huge road towards Algonquin. So let's see where we are heading towards. guys, I'm finally back. You could see my car is parked over here, which has not been used since a long time due to COVID. And the fun fact is actually, when I was recording this video, it looks like my phone was connected to the LCA dashboard of KTM, and my audio wasn't actually getting recorded. So what I had to do is I had to, go back and record it and integrate it with the video, and that's me. And I think I was talking more about, how the ride was. I mean, what exactly, or what specific routes did we take? So we had been to 1 hour on that specific route. However, entering the Toronto Pearson Airport on 401 is just like bang, 5-6 lane. It really opens up, and that was one amazing route. And then, yeah, of course, when you cross Mississauga, Highway 401 towards Kitchener, that's one of the best patches that I love, because honestly speaking, it's just such a smooth highway, and when entering Kitchener, it's again a 6 lane highway. So overall, it was a fantastic day. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share, do comment if you need anything else, and don't forget to press the Kanti icon, the bell. Take care.